How's it going, guys? This is Chris Time. Welcome back to the channel. And today is an exciting day because my wheels are supposed to be coming in today. I was actually expecting my wheels to come in the beginning of March, but Fitment Industries or UPS decided to ship them early to my house. I'm really excited to see what they look like on this car. These wheels are going to be my warm weather set or my summer set. So I'm not going to be mounting them on just yet because it is still February. And it might still snow in March, so I'm probably gonna hold back until the end of March or April to actually mount these wheels on. I'm actually in the process of removing my handles on this car, only because we received a new handle. Nothing changed that much, but this is a little bit chunkier, which I sort of like this better. Technically, I could have just changed out the FK7 and just pasted the 8 on it, but it's gonna look weird because, you know, this is a different size font. This is like a little bit bigger, so I decided to remove the whole thing and just stick this on. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing in the meantime while I'm waiting for my wheels. Holy shit, guys, the wheels are finally here. I can't wait to see what they look like on this car. But like I said, I'm not going to be mounting them on. I'm going to wait till springtime or when the weather gets warmer. But I did, however, change my labels all throughout the car. So Chris Time FK8 there. On the rear, however, I honestly don't know how I feel about the rears. Because my Instagram label before was like off to the side a little bit, but this time I decided to put it in the middle. Not sure how I feel about them, but let me know what you guys think down in the comments. But yeah, that's what it looks like. And then on this side, I'm still in the process of taking this one off and replacing it with my updated one. If I do have extra labels, I'm probably gonna put it on the wall somewhere here. My wall of the channel, I guess you'd call it. I forgot to introduce you guys to Oscar the Octo. He's a little octopus. A blue octopus for the blue type R. Let's go, guys. Look at that. It is currently February 26, 2023. It's about almost 50 degrees outside, which is still kind of chilly. But as you can see, I have the wheels right here. Now, the wheels did arrive yesterday, and to my excitement, I went ahead and unboxed the one on top, and then I also cleaned it. So I'm 5'6", and as you can see, the new set of wheels are like reaching my shoulders. But that's including this packaging that they have right here, which adds, I don't know, a couple inches. So these wheels aren't super thick. They didn't have the size that I wanted. These are 18 by 9.5. So they're not too thick, but I'm putting my whole hand here. It's wider than my whole hand. But the Koenig ones that I got was only 8.5. So these are pretty much my all-season sets that I can use year-round if ever I do get bored of my new sets that I'm about to show you guys. So you can tell that this is really packaged well because look how many layers of plastic they put here. And then they also have like this cardboard on top and then this styrofoam in the middle to protect the wheel, then also on the bottom. So you know that your wheel is protected when it's being shipped. So before we get to the wheel itself, I'm going to be showing you guys the tire. So the tire that I chose for my new set is a Michelin Pilot Sport 4S. They're 265/35 18s. So like I said, 18 by 9.5 with a 35 offset. So it's going to sit square onto the Type R. So yeah, let's do a wheel review. Here we go, guys. Hold on, guys. Before I show you the wheels, I want to show you guys today's sponsor, which is Simply Carbon Fiber. So they shipped me a wallet from their collection, and by the name Carbon Fiber, this wallet right here, as you can tell, this is just made up of carbon fiber. Dang, even the clip is made of carbon fiber. If you compare it to my hood scoop, which is a little bit dirty, see that? Carbon fiber. So if you want like a minimalistic look to your wallet, this is the perfect way to go, because look how small it is. Like, it can fit my whole hand. I can wrap my hands around this, and it's really small. It has a cash clip for all your cash. It can carry your cards, or if you don't have any cash like me, just clip this on your pants pocket. It has a little hole right here so that you can just push this up if ever you need access to all your cards. So really convenient, and it looks super nice and super sleek. It's great, especially if you're a car guy like me. This is perfect, nice and small, nice and compact, and I love the look of it because it is simply carbon fiber. So if you're interested in getting this product, I will be linking it down below. Use my code CTF10 for 10% off on your first order. There you go. These are the NK T6Rs. Now, like I said, they didn't have 19 inches because I would have preferred 19 inches on this car, but I didn't have the money to buy the TE37s, so I went with a similar style wheel, which is the NK T6Rs. Not only are they half the price of the Volk TE37, but they also look nice and they fit well with the car. So yeah, these are going to be my summer wheels. I'll be driving it mid-spring until early fall probably. And like I said, I'm going to be switching over to the Koenig set, which is my all-season, all-year-round kind of wheel. And I also have my stock wheels, which still has the stock tire on, and it still has plenty of tread. Well, not really, but you can see that it still has tread life remaining. So I can also use those if I wanted to get, if I wanted to have bigger wheels on the Type R. But these, I'm really happy with. Still have two more to unbox or to unpack, but I'm not going to be mounting them on today because, it's February 26th. So I'm going to be cleaning these out and applying some wax or ceramic coating on these. That way it's going to be easier to clean once I do mount it on. That wheel right there, I've already applied ceramic coating, and as you can see, it is super shiny and all that stuff. So that one's already done. I just have 3 remaining, and yeah, let's fast forward. Underneath one of the wheels, there was a box. Might be lug nuts or the hubcaps, maybe. Let's open it up. Vista wheel accessories. So these contain the lug nuts. I'm assuming there's a total of 16 in here, but these look like there's a lot more than 16 in there. But yeah, we'll see once we install the wheel. There is a t-shirt, Fitment Industries. It's a little dirty. Looks like they dropped it on the floor and packaged it in the box, but I mean, it's a good looking shirt. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there you go. And then on the back, cool. And then last but not least, we have this thing, which feels like an empty box. Inside this box, we have their card, Fitment Industries. Looks like we have a couple decals. Ooh, I got black ones this time. Last time, I got a white one. Now I have a black one, so that's pretty cool. Other than that, I think that's about it. So for 8.5s, my whole hand can pretty much fit the whole width of the tire. And then for 9.5, it's wider than my whole hand. Another comparison so that we can properly measure this. Yeah, so this is 9.5 pretty much, or let's just say 10, because on camera it looks like 10, but from what I'm seeing, 9.5. Then we're gonna go over here. This is an 11. So like it's a whole inch wider. So let's measure the sidewall. So for 8.5 sidewall, it measures about a 2 1/4. For 9.5 sidewall, it measures about a 2 1/2. So about a 1/4 inch more for sidewall. So this will give a bigger wheel appearance compared to the 8.5s. I mean, these do look sportier because of the thinner sidewall, but it's going to look more performance-y with the thicker sidewall. Again, it's only a 1/4 inch thicker than the 8.5. But these wheels, like I said, these are all season, so I can just use them year round. This is just for when it's warm out. So for the tire cleaner, I'm using Rubber Renew. This also came from Fitment Industries. It's called Carbon Shine Jet Black Rubber Renew. So this is what I'm going to use to clean the tires. And then for the wheels itself, basically I'm going to be putting ceramic coating on it. And then on top of the ceramic coating, I'm going to be putting this on, which is a ceramic refresh spray. I want to show you guys the difference between a treated wheel versus a non-treated wheel. Treated wheel with this Rubber Renew, so it adds a little bit of shine to the tire itself compared to gray and brownish over here on this wheel. And ceramic coated. My iPhone's camera, you can't really tell a difference, but to the naked eye, if you were to look at this in person, obviously this is a lot cleaner than this one. And as you can see right here, we have the NK logo, or NK, however you want to pronounce it. So if you go over here, you can see the layers upon layers of material that this wheel has. So I'm gonna give you guys a closer look. Look at that. Upon inspecting all the wheels, on the back of the wheel, I found that there's like scuff marks on this. So there's also some right there. This is on a soft mat, so it's not like this is on cement or anything. I don't know if it's like the process of them putting the tire on the wheel. All of the wheels have them. Gonna put this down. I'll show you guys right over here so that you guys can see. So if you look over here, you can see some there, as well as right here. Let's look at the other wheel. This wheel isn't as bad as the other two that I showed you, but there's like this one bad scratch right there that I can't seem to get rid of. So yeah, like I said, all the wheels have some sort of scuff mark or scratch on them. And for those of you who are wondering how much these new wheels weigh, let's weigh these wheels. 49.2. For comparison, The Koenigs weigh 41.4. And last but not least, we're gonna do like a side-by-side comparison. So I basically have the same color wheel. This one's a little bit darker. They're both called gunmetal gray. With this one having, it looks like the stock wheel almost. And then this one has like a 6-spoke design. Now with this one being wider, I wasn't surprised that it weighed a little bit heavier. And you can see the difference in terms of width. So I'm gonna go over here so I can show you guys the difference in width. It's a whole inch thicker, so we're getting that much more wheel planted on the road. So we're gonna have more grip. This one is gonna be good for snow. The wheel that I have here is the Conti Pro Contact Extreme DSW06 versus the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S. One is an all-season tire and one is just a summer tire. Alright guys, so that about wraps up this video. Again, I won't be mounting the new wheels on just yet. I did, however, see a couple days in the forecast where the temperature is going to be above 60 degrees. So I'm going to take that opportunity to mount the new wheels on the Type R. That way I can show you guys what the wheels look like on the car. But let me know what you guys think of these wheels. What do you guys think? How do they look? Do you like them? Do you hate them? Or what kind of wheels do you guys have on your cars? Let me know down below in the comments because I am curious as to what you guys have for your wheel setup. Also, if you want this wallet or any of their products, simply carbon fiber, make sure to use my code CTF10 for 10% off your purchase. It should be applied at the cart when you make your purchase. Again, I really do like this wallet. Nice and simplistic, minimalistic, and it's just nice and compact, and it's actual carbon fiber, like I said. So yeah, thank you all for watching. This is Chris Time. See you on the next video. Peace out.